Saan kayo pupunta? Saan kayo pupunta dalawa? Hoy! Balloon? Dito ko lang kayo dalawa. Saan kayo pupunta? Church? Bigyan to church. Mamaya. No, what do you like? Balloon or pagkain? You have to choose only one. Balloon or pagkain? Balloon or pagkain? So guys, balloon or pagkain? Mimi, what do you like? Balloon or pagkain? Pagkain. Anong gusto mo? Pagkain? What do you want? Food or balloon? Oh, there's the food. Food, go. Just only one. Hello po, mami. Itong dalawa to, simban lamon lang. Dalawang to, simban lamon. Yeah, no. Don't have. So let's go inside na sa church na yun. Apo ko talaga. Pinipili pa kami. Pinipili ko sila kung anong gusto nila. Kasi lagi tuturo ng balloon, pero nagugutom. So, dahil nga sa natin silang mamili. So, pinipili ko sila. So, guys, panoorin nyo kung ano pipiliin nila. Food ba or balloon? Okay? Bye-bye.
2 hours later.
Guys, yung dalawang apo ko na simbang lamon. Simbang kain. Diba? What do you like? You like balloon or food? Okay, so no balloon. No, some other time. Let us know. What do you like? Food or balloon? Bet kumakain ka ng food. No. You choose the food, so no more balloon. Okay? So maybe next time, ha? Kahingi tayo ng money kay mami. Yes. I'm going to eat the balloon, not the food. Okay? Every Sunday, you have to choose only one. You choose balloon or food. What? Yes, but you eat the food na already, so you will not buy the food already. Okay? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And a half hours later.
So, ayan guys, yung pinili nila po na kung food ba or balloon. Ayan, so, pinili nila actually is food and balloon. Ano pinili nyo? Food or balloon?
Food and balloon.
Oh, di ba? Sino talo? Di ako. Talo kami. Ano gusto mo? Food or balloon?
Food and balloon.
How about you? Oh, balloon. Okay, di ba yan guys? Wala nagawa eh. Diba talaga pag ako ang nag-request, kung meron din naman lang din pera, bakit din pa ibibili? Iba kasi ang happiness ng bata. Pag nakita mo ang bata natatawa, nakatutuwa sila, nakatabayan ng puso guys. So again, what do you like? Food or balloon?
Food and balloon.
Oh my God! Food or balloon?
Food and balloon.
Oh my God! See guys, di ba? Food and balloon. So yun guys, maraming salamat.
May kulay.
Ang last na desisyon is talo kami sa hapon. Maraming salamat guys, and have a blessed Sunday sa lahat. Bye bye.